One of the biggest challenges in creating a hummingbird-friendly garden is keeping flowers blooming throughout the entire summer. When one plant finishes flowering, another should be ready to take its place. By choosing long-blooming perennials and annuals, you can provide hummingbirds with a reliable source of nectar for months instead of weeks. Today, we're sharing 10 beautiful flowers that bloom all summer long and keep hummingbirds coming back again and again. Let's begin. Salvia is one of the longest blooming flowers you can grow. Its colorful spikes produce nectar continuously from late spring until frost, with very little maintenance. Regular deadheading encourages even more flowers, making salvia one of the best investments for any hummingbird garden. Whether you choose red, purple, blue, or pink varieties, hummingbirds visit them constantly throughout the growing season. Bee balm delivers weeks of colorful blooms during summer. Its bright, tubular flowers are rich in nectar and perfectly shaped for hummingbirds. Plant several clumps together to create an irresistible feeding station that hummingbirds will return to every day. Agastache, also known as hummingbird mint, blooms continuously through the hottest months of summer. Its upright flower spikes tolerate drought while producing remarkable amounts of nectar. Even when temperatures rise, Agastache continues attracting hummingbirds, butterflies, and native bees. Cardinal flower shines during mid and late summer when many other flowers begin slowing down. Its vivid scarlet blooms provide an important nectar source during the hottest weeks of the year. If your garden includes moist soil, this native perennial becomes one of the most reliable hummingbird magnets available. Although commonly grown as an annual, petunias bloom almost non-stop from spring until frost. Modern varieties require very little maintenance and produce masses of colorful trumpet-shaped flowers. Hummingbirds frequently visit large containers, hanging baskets, and flower beds filled with petunias. For gardeners with partial shade, fuchsia offers months of elegant hanging flowers. Its dangling blossoms provide easy access to nectar while creating beautiful displays on patios and porches. Few shade-loving flowers attract hummingbirds as consistently. Zinnias provide continuous color throughout summer while attracting hummingbirds, butterflies, and beneficial insects. They bloom quickly from seed and continue flowering until the first frost. Their bright colors also make them one of the most cheerful additions to any pollinator garden. Kufia is sometimes called the cigar plant because of its unusual tubular flowers. It blooms almost non-stop in warm weather and produces abundant nectar that hummingbirds eagerly seek. Compact growth also makes it ideal for containers. Lantana thrives in hot, sunny gardens where many other flowers struggle. Its colorful flower clusters bloom continuously while attracting hummingbirds and butterflies throughout summer. It also performs extremely well in drought conditions. Mexican sunflower produces vivid orange blooms from midsummer until frost. The nectar-rich flowers attract hummingbirds throughout the season, while adding bold tropical color to the garden. Despite their dramatic appearance, these plants are surprisingly easy to grow. Keeping hummingbirds in your garden isn't about finding one perfect flower. It's about creating a succession of blooms that last from spring until the first frost. By combining several of these long-blooming plants, you'll enjoy months of colorful flowers while giving hummingbirds a dependable place to feed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next garden adventure.